Hey everyone! Have you ever just stopped to think about breathing? I mean, you're doing it right now. You did it while you were sleeping last night. You'll do it about 20,000 more times today. But what is it? It's not just air going in and out. It's an epic microscopic adventure happening inside your chest, right this second. Today we're going to follow a single breath of air on the most incredible journey inside your body, the respiratory system. Our journey starts right here. You take a breath in. That air, full of oxygen, rushes in through your nose or mouth. But this isn't a smooth highway. It's a wild obstacle course. First, it gets filtered by tiny hairs and sticky mucus that trap dust and germs. It's your body's first line of defense. The air is also warmed and moistened, so it's just right for the delicate tissues deeper inside. The air then flows down your windpipe or trachea. See those little rings? That's cartilage. It's like flexible scaffolding that keeps your airway open, no matter how you bend your neck. Now the air reaches a fork in the road. The trachea splits into two tubes called bronchi, one for each lung. And then these tubes continue to splitting into thousands of smaller tubes called bronchioles. It's like a giant, upside-down tree inside your chest. And at the very end of the tiniest twigs on this tree, we find our destination, the alveoli. These tiny stretchy air sacs are the true miracle of breathing. Look at them. They look like a bunch of grapes. And get this. If you could unfold all the alveoli in your lungs, they would cover an entire tennis court. All that surface area packed inside your chest. This is where the magic happens. This alveolus is surrounded by super tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Inside those vessels are red blood cells. They're like billions of tiny delivery trucks, and right now they're empty. The oxygen from the air you breathed in diffuses, it basically jumps across the super thin walls of the alveolus and into the waiting red blood cells. The blood cells grab the oxygen, and in exchange they drop off their cargo of waste carbon dioxide or CO2. It's the exhaust gas your cells produce. So the red blood cell drives away, now full of oxygen, ready to deliver it to every part of your body that needs it to create energy. And that CO2 is just sitting in the alveolus now. And you know what happens next? You breathe out. And that same journey happens in reverse. The diaphragm muscle relaxes, pushing up like a balloon deflating, and forces the air now full of CO2 back out of your lungs, up the windpipe, and out of your body. Think about that. Every time you exhale, you're literally releasing waste from millions of cells inside you. You're not just breathing out air. You're taking out the trash. So the next time you take a breath, remember the incredible journey. It's a non-stop process of filtration, transportation, and a life-giving exchange at a microscopic level. Also, you can run, laugh, think, and watch videos like this one. If you thought this was cool, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into science. Let us know in the comments what body system we should explore next. Thanks for watching and keep breathing.